Give me a nay. Anyone? Can you give me a nay? Nay! Hey guys, we have some very unfortunate news. Editor, make sure this works good, okay? Boom! Yo, this view, I'm telling you right now, it's like almost how my whole entire project has been going with my car for these past few years. So I'm super excited to show you guys what we got going on. Currently doing a massive cross-country trip solo with my wheels in tow. I recently just picked up a new set of rims for my car that I have in Florida, currently building my project car. I have them on jack stands. I think these jack stands are about to rust away because they've been basically permanently living in Florida while I am from Chicago. Make that make sense. So let's get into this vlog. My very first vlog, just so you know. So I'm trying out here. We got 3 parts because otherwise this vlog is gonna be way too long and my editor is not gonna like this. So let's get it. Let's go. Out. Hello there. How's it going? So we out here got some treats for these big animals. They got horsepower. So I'm gonna offer them some apples if they would like the apples. Would you like some apples? Hey. He's like, yes please, give me some apples, boy. Here you go. 1 second, 1 second. Everybody wants some apples. We're almost done with the apples. Definitely giving them some nice little treats. Here. I'm gonna give them a few because I can't give them a lot. Otherwise, they're gonna get very, very peaky. All right, here you go. Let me grab that one. I got one more can of apples for y'alls. Do you want them? You want one? We're gonna change the camera to this horse. Oh, look at them. They're like, yes, sir. Oh, hold up. Don't leave yet. Don't leave yet. Oh, he smells it. He's like, gimme, gimme. All right, I'll give you some more apples. They're very gentle horses, and they will not bite you because once they smelled that you got apples and treats, they will be like, hello, my new best friend, the squad. Well, it's time for me to go and carry on my journey to go deliver my rims to Florida. So we had a blast out here with these boys. Give me a nay. Anyone? Can you give me a nay? Nay. No? Dang it. Alright, fine. Fine, you guys win. They're all biting each other. It makes no sense. Why? But yeah, these horses are something else. Beasts. Alright guys, quick little update. We just passed Las Vegas and it's already nighttime. What happened? I guess we spent too much time hanging out with the horses. One of the things that I like about Las Vegas is not the casinos, but the car scene. Literally, SEMA show every single year. They have the most insane builds. Hoonigan always shows up, does some crazy stuff, shows up their crazy builds. I definitely want to go and take you guys along with and see what it's all about. Like, they literally have the craziest builds. Besides that, we're gonna get back on the road after I go take my bathroom break and continue on, get into California and hand deliver these wheels. Hey guys, we have some very unfortunate news. A really big problem came up and kind of destroyed a lot of my footage. So my SD card got corrupted, and literally there was some signs that I should have looked at, and I should have made sure that I was just anyways. I have a backup SD card which I'm using right now. It's a much faster writing speed, and I did not expect it. Like, before, I had it for a few years, this DJI Osmo 3, and I already had it for a few years, and I didn't have any issues with the writing speed or anything, but for some reason it just got corrupted. So all the shots that I got in Arizona, all the shots that I got in California, everything got erased. So let that be a lesson to y'all. Make sure when you are recording content or recording anything in general, anything that's kind of important to you, make sure that your SSD card can handle it and or has recovery programs where it can recover those footage that you've recorded on there before everything got formatted, you know, and just everything got corrupted. So luckily I had a backup SD card, which that was the replacement for that one. I was going to be letting it run its course and see how much longer I can record for, but it decided to poop out on me. So really unfortunate. Should have known. I saw the signs, but I didn't do it. But we are over here in Dragoon, Arizona, getting a look at the sun slightly setting on the other side of this range. It's called the Texas Canyon, and they got some amazing huge big boulders over here, almost the size of the house, and it weighs a lot as well. So I'm gonna try to get my wheel out and then get a nice shot of it and see where we could go from there. But update on what happened. I had some awesome shots. I was like, this is gonna make the vlog so much more better, so peak. But things happen. Dragoon, Arizona. One of the quick stops that I wanted to look at, just like, look at these rock formations, guys. They're insane. And the part that sucks is that it's on the other side of where the sun is setting. I don't know. Besides, like, me doing, like, being a car guy and recording car content, I really do like beautiful nature, animals, everything. So we'll see how much further we get around in our channel. Oh, also, I really am tempted to go climb on these rocks, but they have a fence, so I don't want to trespass or anything or have anyone catch me. Look at that one big boulder over there. It's massive. Like, from here, if we got closer to it, it's probably even bigger. And the fact that it's just chilling on another rock, you know, hasn't tipped over or anything, is insane. Let's get in this crevice. This is gonna be crazy. All right, have you seen any spiders or any snakes? No. Look at that. That huge boulders is just balancing over there, and there's like this whole entire opening over here. What do I do in my free time? I climb rocks, guys. I climb rocks. Here, just to get a perspective of where I'm at right now. Unreal. But I don't want to go any further because I don't think I'm too claustrophobic, but I don't know. These rocks have been here for a long time. I don't think they ain't going anywhere, but I'm going somewhere. I gotta go back to Florida. So enough dilly-dallying. Back to the vlog, traveling vlog. This is what they call a dedication. I'm gonna be going basically over here, speedwaypark.com. So I'm gonna put the wheel right around here, and I guess I'm gonna shine my flash and hopefully get this shot. Y'all don't even understand how painful this sounds. So, all right, y'all. So, you know how I started with me rocking the snapback, right? Well, as you can see, the scenery has changed. We have officially made it to Texas. 1 second, we gotta upgrade. Editor, make sure this works good, okay? Boom, here we are. Rocking a cowboy hat. You have seen rims before, but have you seen these? So here we are. We got ourselves some awesome work wheels. We got the VSKF Sharps, to be exact. Boom, here we are. We got the rim here. Let's unwrap it really quick. Ooh, look at that triple chrome. So these right here, these chromed out, triple chrome. Oh, hold up, these aren't any regular VSKFs that you just can find on Facebook Marketplace. These are specially delivered or specially custom ordered from Works, and they're limited production. They only have 600 wheels ever made, well, for this year. And they are the special VSKF Sharps. The engineers re-engineered them to make them a little bit stiffer because nowadays cars do weigh more. They do make them in 18s and 19s. That's the only size that they are available in. They can handle more weight, and they are true 3-piece rims. You can actually see this was welded on from factory, and then it was sealed over it so that no air leaks. Yeah, so you can see these are true 3-piece rims. It actually tells you the date that it was made. So it was made this year, 304. So I was fortunate enough to have the funds to be able to afford these. These were, I think, $4,520, but with tax it was almost $5,000. But what's crazy is that the older ones, before they made the new line or the new revised style design on these work wheels, they were going for around $6,000 or $7,000 on Facebook Marketplace. So a lot of people were like, well, it's a little too much out of my price range, so I'm just gonna go get some different rims or reps. From Chicago all the way to California with these brand new wheels, sitting, riding shotgun. Nothing beats hand delivering versus waiting for shipping, never knowing if it's actually gonna get there or someone gonna steal it, tracking not gonna work, delays. Who needs that when you can go do it yourself? So we just made it across halfway through the country, and now it's time to get them to the rest of the way. So see you in the next one. Peace. So these right here, these chromed out, triple chrome. Oh, hold up, bro, the wheel's about to roll away on me. Hold up, let me put it in a little bit safer, uncompromised angle.